Hello everyone, finding the best drone can be a pain. There are so many options in the market and you do not know which will be the best for you. In this video I will break down the top 3 best drones and the market based on price versus performance and situation that use on.
Have you ever flown a drone before? Do you want to be considered an elite in this field? For many people, when first piloting a drone, it can be difficult to control. But fear no more. You just need to press the one-button takeoff, which can make piloting drones a breeze. The altitude hold function helps you to learn the controls of the quadcopter quickly. Don't be afraid of crashing. We have added flexible propeller guards that will help protect the HS200 from damage. Now you can enjoy a safer indoor flight. No matter which level you are in, 4 speeds modes can make you satisfied. It is advised to keep the speed on the lowest first and then higher if you are a newbie. You can connect your smartphone to the HS200 with your Holy Stone app, downloaded through the App Store and Google Play. Now go out to capture and enjoy beautiful scenery with your HS200 drone. The HS200 drone is equipped with a 720p HD real-time video camera. It enables you to take aerial videos and photos with your iPhone or Android phone. You can also know the drone's flying condition and record every moment in your life. There couldn't possibly be more to tell. You'd be wrong. This is only the tip of the iceberg. Once you own our Holy Stone HS200 drone, you will find that there are more exciting functions waiting for your discovery, such as 2.4 GHz 6-axis gyrotech, headless mode, 360-degree flips, 1-key return home, 1-button land, and much, much more. Now go and get yourself one HS200.
Thanks for watching. Product buying link was given in the description, and for more videos please like, comment and share with your friends and press the bell icon button for more videos.